Ever feel like you're studying harder than everyone else but still falling behind? What if AI could do some of the heavy lifting? Here are 7 AI websites every student should start using today. Number 1. ChatGPT. Need help understanding a tough topic, solving homework problems, or brainstorming essay ideas? ChatGPT is like having a tutor available 24/7. Number 2. Grammarly. Stop losing marks over grammar mistakes. Grammarly checks your writing instantly and helps make essays sound more professional. Number 3. Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter search engine. It gives direct answers and even shows sources, saving you hours of research. Number 4. Notion AI. Turn messy notes into organized study guides. It can summarize lectures, create to-do lists, and help manage assignments. Number 5. Quizlet AI. Studying for exams? Quizlet can generate flashcards and quizzes that make memorizing information much easier. Number 6. Canva Magic Studio. Need a presentation that actually looks impressive? Canva's AI tools can create slides, graphics, and designs in minutes. Number 7. Otter.ai. This tool records lectures and automatically creates notes and transcripts so you never miss important information. Here's the truth, AI won't replace studying, but students who use AI wisely will have a huge advantage over those who don't. Which of these AI websites are you already using? And what's your favorite AI tool for school? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more student hacks.